but still you whisper, come my all. The world sees weakness, you see grace. You lift the lowly in embrace, and in my emptiness I find your mercy fills this heart of mine. Blessed are the broken hearts, the humble hands, the tear-stained stars, for theirs is heaven's open door. They'll walk with God forevermore. Blessed are the poor in spirit, who kneel to hear the Savior's voice. In their surrender, angels sing. The meek of heart shall wear his ring. When silence falls and faith feels thin, you breathe your peace and light breaks in. You see the wounds I tried to hide, and gently call me to your side. No throne, no power, no earthly fame could ever lift me by my name.